Guilford County until 8:45 p.m. At 7:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Asheboro, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Except when damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Randleman, Gibsonville, Liberty, Ramsar, Franklinville, Swepsonville, and Alamance. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Guilford, and Randolph. A severe thunderstorm